Do you know these foods? What ingredients are needed to make these foods? Read the list of ingredients in section A and write the list of ingredients with quantity for making salad. Salad ingredients with quantity. Cucumber 2 medium size, carrot 1 medium size, tomato 2 medium size, onion 1 big size, green chili 2, salt according to your taste. Rearrange the sentences in correct order. Process of making tea. First, take a cup of water in a kettle. Then, boil the water. Put 1 teaspoon of tea and boil for 2 minutes. Add sugar and milk to taste. Stir well. The tea is ready to serve. Match the words with pictures. Break, beat, boil, chop, fry, pour, stir, slice. Drag the following words to fill in the gaps. Cooking vegetable soup. Chop onion and garlic. Slice the vegetables. Put some oil in a deep pan and add garlic and onion to it and stir well. Add 2 glasses of water and boil for 2 minutes. Break an egg and beat it, adding some salt. Pour it in the soup and stir fast. Add green chili and serve hot. Now write the ingredients with quantity for cooking vegetable khichdi. Vegetable khichdi. Ingredients with quantity: rice 500 grams, dal 250 grams, oil half a cup, onion slice 1/4 of a cup, smashed onion, ginger, garlic, turmeric. Each item 1 teaspoon. Curry leaf 2/3, sliced vegetable, potato, cauliflower, carrot, gourd 250 grams. Salt according to your taste. Water 6 cups.
Rearrange the sentences in correct order for cooking vegetable khichdi. The process of cooking vegetable khichdi.
Slice all vegetables. Wash rice, dal and vegetables. Heat the oil. Stir and fry the onion light brown and add salt, smashed onion, smashed ginger, smashed garlic, turmeric and curry leaf. Stir, cover and cook until oil separates. Now add rice, dal and vegetables and stir well. Pour boiled water and lower heat and put the lid on. Cook for 20 minutes and remove from heat. Now the khichdi is ready to serve.